Hanbugak brings Korean heritage and wellness together in every crisp bite. We present 3 key points of Hanbugak Laver snacks. Point 1. Crafted with 100% domestically grown ingredients for pure authenticity. From potatoes to seaweed, every element is proudly sourced in Korea. Point 2. Embracing the global K-food trend with health-focused innovation. Oven-baked and made with locally sourced ingredients, Hanbugak is a light, low-calorie snack. Point 3. We would like to introduce 3 key values of Doan optical eyewear, produced in HACCP-Certified facilities, ensuring the highest standards of safety. Discover Hanbugak, crafted with care using domestic ingredients for clean and authentic flavor. Certified for quality and safety, Hanbugak is trusted by leading retailers and customers across global markets. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us